Today we're going to have a quick demonstration of the Apellix non-destructive testing user interface. The first button is the takeoff button. This physically makes the aircraft lift off from the ground, and it will hover after takeoff. The second button is the manual button. This button puts the aircraft into a manual mode where you can fly the aircraft up to the location that you want to take a sample. And then you hit the start button on the right hand side to start the automated portion where the computer will approach the surface, take a reading, and then back off and await for the next location to be specified. The next button is the land button. This will land the aircraft on the ground. The next indicator shows alignment to the wall. It has directionality arrows to show you which direction, as well as a numeric indicator showing the number of degrees. And then the next indicator shows the distance from the wall to the front of the aircraft. And the next indicator is actually a button to allow you to manually add additional copulent to the end effector. These two buttons are to advance and to go back for your CML locations. And the next two buttons are to go back and to advance your areas. And our last two indicators at the top show the CML number and the voltage for the aircraft battery. And then we're going to show you the automated touch sequence. First you start out manual. And once you've reached your desired location, you'll hit start, and the aircraft will align and then begin its approach. And once the aircraft is in contact with the wall, you will change the touch, and you'll start to see this reading stream across the stream on the observer side. And then we'll stop. We'll hit the next CML to go to the next testing location, and we'll hit start, and the approach will begin again. We'll hit the touch, and we'll see the readings stream across the screen. And if the touch was successful, the pilot will also see the last good reading on the bottom right hand side of the display. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any further questions, give Bob Dahlstrom or Jeff McCutcheon a call, or send us an email at info@apellix.com.